Hi, welcome to Going Wild. This time we're going to take some photos by the river. The plan is simple: to find a nice place, sit on the river bank and see what's going to happen. The fog over the meadows by the river was so thick that we had some troubles with focusing. Finally, we got it. The last time we were here, it was the middle of winter, and now in August we were really surprised by the high vegetation. After just half an hour we were almost totally wet because of the dew on the grass. After several months of using our 3D camouflage, we were almost sure that it would be enough in this situation and we don't have to find better hide. Suddenly we heard a loud shout of the heron and spotted landing birds, but they disappeared immediately in the fog. Our chances to see them were 50% because usually they go down the river or up the river. So we had to be patient. And yes, after a few minutes they emerged from the fog like ghosts. The fog disappeared, and so did the herons. It's time to go back home. It was a nice morning. This spotted eagle we photographed from the car's window. Thank you for watching and see you next time.